Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial Lyran Logic where we code with routine through equations and algorithm. If newbie ka sa Python like me, my tutorials are just made for you. Whether nagsisimula ka pa lang naintindihan ng Python or you want to understand Python module step by step, then you're in the right place. So what are you waiting for? Open your Python interpreter and let's start coding. Yan, to start, let's open our idle shell or our interpreter and mag-solve muna tayo ng mga simple math problem. For example, let's solve 2 plus 3 and 5 yung output niyan. And let's print the sum of numbers between 1 to 5 inclusively. And that will give us an output of 15. How about we want to find the factorial of 5? We know that 5 factorial results to 120. Here in Python, we can solve it like this. Yan, 120 ang factorial ng 5. These are some manually multiplying the numbers to get the factorial of 5. Pero ano yung mas madali na way para makuha natin yung factorial ng isang number? We can import a module, which is the math module. And math that factorial, or using the factorial function, you can solve the value of 5 factorial. Let's talk about something that makes Python easier, the constants. Yan. Alam naman natin na yung mga constants like phi and Euler's number are hard to memorize. But in Python, meron na mga predefined constants that we can use. We can open code editor to demonstrate a program. This program demonstrate constant in Python math module. And here's a thing, when you're making a program, it's important to add comment so we can know what is the program about. First, let's import a math module and print the corresponding constant or the following constants such as pi, Euler's number, and tau. And let's print the value of pi, and we can see the output later once we run our program. Math.phi and print Euler's number or the letter E. Math that and print the value of tau. By the way, tau is the 2 times pi, not that tau. And here we import the math module and define the function using the dot notation. For example, math.py. And let's save our program. Math constant. And once we save it, we can run our program and see the return value of the following functions inside the math module. Yan. The pi equals siya sa 3.141592 and so on. Yan, important siya sa pagkuha ng mga areas and circumference. And Euler's number are about 2.718. Ginagamit naman siya sa mga natural logarithmics. And tau are 2 times pi rather is equal siya sa 2. And now, na-demonstrate natin yung use ng constants like math.py, math Euler's number. Let's use it in real math like trigonometry. Let's demonstrate the use of trigonometric function in math module. Demonstrate Python math module and trigonometric type. First is let's import our math module. And initializing the value of pi because we know that is important in conversions of regions to degrees where Python expect na yung function niya ay in regions, not in degrees. For example, we want to find the cosines of 80. Equals to math that cos of 80. Print cosine of 80 regions. And let's save our program as cos 80. And when we run our program, we can see the result as this is strange, like it is wrong because it thinks that 80 is in region, not in degree. And to fix that, we can convert regions like angle in degrees is equal sa 80. Then converting angle ng angle math.py divided by 180 and A is equal sa math that cos angle red. And we can print the value of A. Yan. This gives us and in our conversion, it gives us the correct value of cosine 80, which is 0.17, and so on. But there are simplest way in where we can get the cosines of 80. You can just print math.cos and math.regions of 80. Ngayon naman ay i-demonstrate natin yung mga miscellaneous functions from math module. And importing the math module, import math. Ayan. This time, gagamit tayo ng single variable h, which equals to 45. Ayan. Print natin yung value ng h. And 45. For example, we want to find the square root of 45. We can just use the function square root or math that square root. Yan. It returns value 6.70 something. Yan. How about raise 45 to the power of 2? Yes, math.pow. Yan. This is to 2025. Handy siya sa mga exponential maths. How about i-round down natin ang 45 by dividing it to 1.8. That is math that plur. And whole number pag nag-round down ka ng numbers. How about round up? It is math that seal. For example, we want to round up this to 4.3. Yan, 11. Yung pagka nagra-rounding, nag-ensure siya na yung result is between real life scenarios. Kaya useful talaga ang mga ganyang functions. And gusto natin kunin yung base as yung logarithmic of 45. That is math that log 10 base na 10 of h times 10. Ayan, 2.65 something. Helpful naman yung sa logarithmic functions in data science. As part ng video tutorial natin na ito ay gagawa tayo ng simple mini project gamit ang mga natutunan natin sa math module. And first is, let's add some comment like this is a simple mini project using Python math module. Ayan. Magbibuild tayo ng square root finder. A simple square root calculator using math module. And as a drill, let's import math. First is, yan, gusto naman natin na yung mga gagamit itong program ay masiyahan. So, we can welcome them. Let's print welcome to the square root finder. Apply run logic. This program will ask the user for a number. And num is equal to float input. Yan. Enter a number. Yan. The user can enter any number na gusto nilang kunin yung square root. And then we will calculate the square root. And result is equal siya sa math dot square root ng number na in-enter ni user. And show result. Yan. We can now print the square root of the number is yung result. And let's again through our project. Yung title niya is square root finder. Yan. First is to import the math module. Welcome message to the user, and it will require the user to input the number they want to find the square root. And ayan, nilagay natin yung formula kung paano siya makukuha, which is the function inside the math module of math.square. And when we run our project, let's save this as project math, and let's run it. You can see that it's welcome to the square root finder of Laurent logic. Enter a number. For example, we want to find the square root of 25. Ayan. Square root of 25 is 5. Another. Ayan. We want to find the square root of 30. Ayan, 30 is not a perfect square. That's why it's 5.47 about something. So, and that's it. That sum up our project. And that's a wrap on tutorial about Python Math module here in Laurent Logic. And using Python Math module, we can solve problems, build tools, and even create mini games with a few simple lines. Always remember to code with rhythm through equations and algorithms. Thank you for learning with me, and see you next time.